Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expressions displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial square, x squared minus 0.5 in parentheses squared, x squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and 0.5 corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial square, 0.1 plus x squared in parentheses squared, 0.1 corresponds to the a in the formula, and x squared corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each binomial square, this expression equals to x squared in parentheses squared minus 2 times x squared multiplied by 0.5 plus 0.5 in parentheses squared plus 0.1 in parentheses squared plus 2 times 0.1 multiplied by x squared plus x squared in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, I get x to the fourth power minus x squared plus 0.25 plus 0.01 plus 0.2 x squared plus x to the fourth power. As the next step, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are x to the fourth power and x to the fourth power, negative x squared and 0.2 x squared, and lastly 0.25 and 0.01. When I add these pairs of like terms, I get 2 times x to the fourth power minus 0.8 x squared plus 0.26. I can simplify further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Next exercise. Simplify the expression. In the first binomial square, y squared plus 0.3 z squared in parentheses squared, y squared corresponds to the a in the formula, 0.3 z squared corresponds to the b in the formula. And respectively, in the second binomial square, z squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and 0.4 y squared corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each binomial square, this expression equals to y squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times y squared multiplied by 0.3 z squared plus 0.3 z squared in parentheses squared minus z squared in parentheses squared minus 2 times z squared multiplied by 0.4 y squared plus 0.4 y squared in parentheses squared, closing square parenthesis. When I simplify further, this equals to y to the fourth power plus 0.6 y squared z squared plus 0.09 z to the fourth power. Now, the negative sign will flip the signs of each term within the square parentheses. This way I get z to the fourth power with the minus in the front plus 2 times 0.4 is 0.8 y squared z squared minus 0.16 y to the fourth power. Next, I need to add all like terms. Y to the fourth power and negative 0.16 y to the fourth are like terms, so I can add them. I have also 0.6 y squared z squared and 0.8 y squared z squared. And lastly, 0.09 z to the fourth power and negative z to the fourth power. So when I add these pairs of like terms, I get 0.84 y to the fourth power plus 1.4 y squared z squared minus 0.91 z to the fourth power. I can't simplify further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.